Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's session, I was thinking to bring up a real life scenario in sales and distribution module and explain one of the scenarios and how we have addressed that issue with the client. Okay, so it's about the partner determination functions and how partner functions are determined in the sales order and what is the standard behavior and what is the client requirement. Okay, so the client has a requirement to default forwarding agent. Forwarding agent is a carrier who delivers the goods. Okay, it is a normally a third party company. So like DHL, Wincanton, etc. They are the third party, so they are the forwarding agent. They are created as a partner function in the system. Okay, so the requirement is the client has a requirement to default the forwarding agent from ship to party in the sales document instead of sold to party. Standard behavior is that when you create your sales order, in the sales order there are partner functions, which is sold to party, ship to party, bill to pay, standard partner functions, and also forwarding agents. So by default, standard SAP defaults the forwarding agent from the sold to party. Okay, but the requirement from the client is that it should not default from the sold to party, as the appropriate carrier is based on the delivery address rather than based on the sold to party. So delivery address is the ship to party address. So they they can assign the relevant forwarding agent based on where the goods are being delivered. So if it is delivered to the north of England, it's a different forwarding agent they work with. If it's on the south of England, then it's a different forwarding agent they work with. So they want to assign based on ship to rather than sold to. Very genuine requirement and very common. So this requirement does not require any development. Standard SAP is equipped because it's very common that these kind of requirements come from big clients. Okay, so that's first. I hope the requirements are now clear. But before we jump into the system, let's understand the flow, how it works, and what we are actually trying to do. Okay, so you have a master data, which is your customer master. Okay, now in the customer master, you have partner functions linked with it. Okay, which is sold to, ship to, bill to, and forwarding agent. Okay, so that master data is naturally flown in the sales order, the partner functions. The partner functions which are defined in the customer master sold to specifically is moved into the sales order. The same partner functions you will see when we show you in the system, then you will see it has flown from the sold to party. Okay, and then this sales order, so this would be sales order header. Okay, now this, when you create your sales order, then from header, it comes to item. So whatever is in your header, it will flow into the item when it comes to your partner functions. Okay. So now the ask is, this is coming from Sol 2. Sorry. Okay. So this customer, which is created as a Sol 2 party, this is created as a, when you create the sales order, the Sol 2 in the sales order is the partner functions linked to that. So 2 will come in the sales order header and that will automatically flow in the sales order item. Now the ask is that instead of sold to, it should come from the ship to, correct? From the master data. So here you have one sold to, let's say 101, and ship to let's say 1345. We will, and then here this will bring the forwarding partner functions and forwarding agent. Okay, by default in the header, forwarding agent from in the header. Okay, now this is standard. Okay, standard by default settings. Now the requirement is this is as is. Okay, as is a currently it is working like this. So now if you now this becomes to be. This is what they want, the client wants. This should partner function, the forwarding agent should come from ship to instead at the header. So now we will look into the system. I hope the requirement is now clear. Maybe Sharik, let us show it in the system and
Yeah.
in your system if you like to
Yeah,
share.
sure. I'll show them. So
Yes, I can.
first thing I guess we need to go is business partner, and this is our sold to party, right? 101 that we have explained in the example. So if we click on this business partner we have already created, you can directly jump to FLCU01, which is a customer tab, sales and distribution. Go to partner function, and here you can see we have assigned so many partner functions that we use with this business partner or customer. Okay,
So
SP is
this
a
is
sold to
sold to.
party.
This is treated as sold to, and
Yeah,
you can see CR forwarding agent is 1750 has been assigned to it. Now CR forwarding agent is created as a vendor because forwarding agent is a vendor. Vendor means that we need to pay. Customer is who pays us. So this is created as a vendor partner function and assigned to sold to 101.
yeah.
Okay.
We have created one forwarding agent as 1750. So if you want, I can also show you 1750, or else we can directly jump to ship to party that we'll use in our example 1748. Sorry, 49.
1748 is the forwarding agent.
Yeah,
And
1749.
1750 is also the forwarding agent.
Yeah, and
Two forwarding agents.
1749 is our ship to party. And inside that you can see we only have two partner function assigned. Okay, so first one is CR, which is also our forwarding agent as 1748, but in our sold to party business partner we have assigned 1750. So these are two different forwarding agent that we actually have.
Yeah, so maybe Sharik, if you open an Excel sheet just
Okay.
to make sure that the users understand what we are explaining to them. So here we can just write the sold to party name,
Yeah,
the ship to party name, and the forwarding agent that are assigned to sold to and ship.
so first we have 101 as a sold to party,
Hmm.
and forwarding agent that assigned with sold to party 101 is 1750. Okay, so
Hmm.
if you want I can color them. This is one group. Ship to party is 1749, and the forwarding agent that is assigned with this business partner is 1748. This is the other one. Okay, so now if I show you, so now if you want we can directly jump to our configuration and then we can run the UTC
Yeah,
if
I
you want.
think
Yeah,
Sharik, best thing would
yeah,
be to
yeah.
first create a sales order
Okay,
and then show what is defaulted as a forwarding agent there.
sure. Okay,
Okay, because the idea is to change the standard setting and how do we change it? Okay.
yeah. Okay, so if you create a sales order, just put this all to party that we have put here, In sold to party 101, and in the ship to party we'll select 1748. 101 and 1748.
Uh, I think the ship to party is 1749.
Okay, so let me
Yeah,
try.
because 1748 is the forwarding agent.
Okay,
So if you go back to the Excel once more,
yeah, I can change that. Yeah, forwarding our
yeah,
ship to
forwarding agent is
party.
one. You've written it correctly.
Yes,
149.
yes, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
1749 is a ship to party. Now the
Yeah,
expected result right now, because we haven't changed the configuration, the expected result right now that it will by default bring it from the
sold to
sold to
party.
party
Yeah,
as the forwarding agent. So let's see that.
yeah. So if we go to header level data and go to partner, here you can see it's picked from the sold to party, which I have put as 1750.
Yeah. And if you go to the item level,
Yeah,
because in the sales order item, the forwarding agent is copied from the header. Okay, so if you go on to the item level, this
yeah,
is also the same. Now, business does not want that. Business want that the ship to party assigned forwarding agent should be defaulted,
yeah,
and they can manually change it if they want, but they what business is requesting that we don't want to keep changing manually. It increases the workload. There could be data inconsistencies in it, etc. And we need to assign the right forwarding agent based on the delivery address. So why do we have with sold body very genuine requirement? So now to in order to change this, in order to make sure that the default is coming from sold to party, we have one setting which is an SPRO.
yeah,
You can do on the partner determination, which
yeah.
Shadip
So
will
I
show.
can show, I'll show them. So go to SPRO and let's go to sales and distribution, basic function, and here you will see partner determination. Just click on that and go to set up partner determination. Okay, so you have already created, I guess, with the partner determination procedure, and you need to assign it with the appropriate account group. So if you want, for us, you can explain them what we are doing right now. So
Yeah,
if you
so
go
in
to
the
partner,
partner determination, there are partner determination default settings which flow from customer master to the sales document to the item, as you can see here, and then to the delivery. So whatever is in the customer master as the partner function for forwarding agent, it will come in the sales document header.
yeah,
Then it will come to the item, then it will come to the delivery. So what we're trying to do is change in the sales
yeah,
document the default setting from where it should come from. So
yeah,
that setting is done at the setup partner determination for sales document header. So
yeah.
if you double click,
You just double click on it, and you will see TA as a standard sales order partner procedure. Okay, partner determination procedure. You need to search for TA. That is your standard partner procedure for header level. Okay,
yeah, and in
and
most organization, TA is being used. So we are not in today's session, we are not explaining the full configuration of partner determination. We're just solving this business scenario. So the idea is that the people who already have some knowledge about SD and partner determination, this could be one of their business scenario for more
yes.
understanding.
Okay, just click on this and go to the partner function and procedure. So here you can see these are some of the partner function that is assigned to a particular partner procedure. Okay,
Yeah,
so TA, with TA we want CR. CR is a forwarding agent. That is a specific partner function that we want to target. So TA and search for CR. So this is your first entry, TA with CR.
yeah. And now this is a default setting. Okay. Now here system provides something very interesting for you to make sure that you are able to meet your business requirement. So what is that?
Yeah. Here system gives you an option to put the source and the sequence. So source is from where you want to fetch that particular forwarding agent, at which partner function level you want to source it. Okay. So our client requirement is to get it from the ship to party. Okay. So we can directly put SH, that is a partner function used for ship to party. And you can put also the sequence one and save it back. So we have already configure all the partner determination procedure. So this is my partner determination procedure. Inside that, I have this many partner function assigned. This is my SP, BP, bill to party, PY, pay, and CR also is added in the 1201. And furthermore, this procedure is added to my customer account group. Now you'll try to run a sales order and see what happens. Okay, you're putting the same sold to party 101 and ship to party as 1749.
Now, just to remind, what is the expected result here? The expected result is the forwarding agent from ship to should come now,
Yeah,
correct? So
yeah,
what is,
that is
if you go to the
1748.
Excel,
If
one,
we go
yeah,
to Excel, it should pick 1748.
yeah,
Yeah, go to header level data and check in partner. So now you can see it
yeah,
picks a forwarding agent as 1748.
yes, that's
Previously,
correct.
it
And
was picking
also,
1750. Yeah,
correct. Also in the item
yeah,
all
also, yeah,
level.
sure, sure.
And
Let
one
me
more
show
thing,
that.
when you create a delivery document, now suppose you have multiple line items, when you create a delivery, so the delivery will pick the forwarding agent from the line item. Okay. So if it's a one-to-one scenario, like one order with one line item, it's very simple. But if you have multiple line items and multiple forwarding agents are expected, then uh, and each ship to is a different ship to number, then it becomes much more tricky. Then you have to think what options you can provide, like you can enter or change the forwarding agent manually, because by default system will bring the
Whatever we have put in
forwarding
the
agent,
source. Yeah,
yeah, from the header.
yeah,
Yeah, so let's save this and see.
yeah,
You have seen right now that the default forwarding agent is now coming from ship to rather than sold. Okay,
yeah.
so very common requirement for people who are working in the SD module with related to shipment and delivery. If there is anything that comes up like this, you can always use this as a reference to do your settings. Okay, so I think that was it. And lastly, as a reminder for all the people who want to have such videos more and more, please like and subscribe, and that will help me do much more better videos. Okay, thanks everyone.